Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna take a look of the PSBE Lite 1.2. Now this is a little bit of old shader because it's created in 1.19. So it got updated in like 1.21 now. So we're gonna rate it. So we're gonna look it today. So the saturation and the tone mapping is great. It's not that bright. Very cool. And it also has a waving grass and waving vines. Looks jiggly though. I don't know why I put that, but it's okay. And here's how the water does looks like now. The water slit is so laggy. I think it might need a medium device just to run this shader. It also has a cloud reflections to it, but no sun reflections to it. It also has a ripple effect to the water, and plus there is a water waves into the shader. Looks very cool. Nice touch of filter of the shader. Very nice. Very cool. And taking underneath the water, it also has a underwater acoustics happening in the underwater. Great. And it also has a wavy effect to it. Very cool. And there is also has a cirrus clouds to the sky, and the sky has changed too. Look at that, very cool, very light, and it also has a round cloud to it. That's a very nice touch of a shader. And here's how the rain and the white here's how the sunset does look like now. The sunset has a purplish, pinkish color to it. Looking nice, very beautiful. And it also has some reflections in the water. During sunset, it has a pinkish, beautiful. Very nice, very nice. And here's how the night looks like. The night has a blue effect, but the clouds are unseenable. Very cool. And the moon has a glowing effect. Very nice. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.